Alright, this is my 2013 SHO. Stock downpipes. Third cat deleted. Resonator deleted. Mufflers deleted. I've got catless downpipes. They're on my 2010 SHO that's back of the house. I haven't pulled them off yet because that back one is a pain in the ass to get to. I'd rather put it on a lift. I've got sound clips of that on my YouTube channel. Just search the same YouTube channel for that. Takeoffs, flybys, stuff like that. This is honestly not loud at all at idle with the stock downpipe still on it. It's pretty quiet, so, but it sounds good though. So I'll give you a clip. A couple revs and I'll drive off.